Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.11, Problem 6. This is Section 2.11, Problem 6. It says, what is 8 2/7 decreased by 5 1/10? So the word that's telling me what I need to do is decrease. That means I must subtract. So this problem is saying, figure out 8 2/7 minus 5 1/10. And like the past couple of problems, writing it side to side is fine, and you can find the answer that way. But I find it easier to write it vertically. I like the vertical format. So I am going to write 8 2/7 minus 5 1/10 vertically like this. So in order to do a problem like this, a subtraction, I need to find common denominators. So my denominators now are 7 and 10. So a good common denominator would be 70, because the 7 divides into 70 evenly. The 10 also divides into 70 evenly. So for the upper fraction of 2/7, I have a new denominator of 70. So I ask myself, 7 times something made of 70. The something must have been times 10. So the numerator is multiplied times the same value. The numerator of 2 also gets multiplied times 10, and 2 times 10 is 20. So there's one fraction. Now the other fraction, the denominator was 10. It turned into a 70. That must have happened by multiplying times 7. 10 times 7 is 70. So the numerator gets multiplied times the same value, times 7. 1 times 7 is 7. So now both fractions have the same denominator, and I can go ahead and combine the numerators. My common denominator is 70. This is a subtraction. I'm subtracting 20 minus 7. 20 minus 7 is 13. Don't forget the whole numbers in front. I have 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. So my final answer is 3 13 over 70.